Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Be safe in your home, students. Be healthy and be energetic. Pray to God every day for your health. Let's move to our today's class. Welcome to Business Mathematics class. So in our last class, I have taught you how will you find the inverse. Is it right? So A inverse means 1 by determinant of A into adj. So I have taught you already how will you find the adjoint of A, how will you find the determinant of A, how will you find the inverse for 2 by 2 matrix. So today we are going to learn how we will find the inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. So same only already we know how will you find the minor, how will you find the cofactor, how will you find the determinant, how will you find the adjoint. So everything we are going to do it together, that's all. But it will be somewhat when we are seeing that it will be a big problem. Okay, so don't fear about that. So it will be very easy. Okay students. So example 1.16 we need to start now. So last class I gave one homework. I hope you all of you completed. Okay. So example 1.16. Okay ma'am. If A is equal to 2, 4, 4, 2, 5, 4, 2, 5, 3. Then find A inverse. Okay. So last class you have learned the same concept. So 2 by 2 matrix you completed. How will you find the A inverse? So here this matrix is 3 by 3. So for 3 by 3 matrix, how will you find the A inverse? That only we are going to learn today. Okay. So solution. What's the formula for A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So we need to find the determinant of A as well as adj, and afterwards we will substitute here. So determinant of A is equal to determinant of this matrix, that is 2, 4, 4, 2, 5, 4, 2, 5, 3. We are going to find the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. So that's equal to 2 into, so this particular column and this particular row will get cancelled. So 5, 4, 5, 3. Is it right? 5, 4, 5, 3. Then minus, next must be minus. 4 into, next one, this row, column and this row will get cancelled. So 2, 2, 4, 3. Then next one the symbol will be plus. So this particular and this one it will cancel. Okay. So 2, 5, 2, 5. Okay. So that's equal to 2 into 5 3s are how much? 15. Minus 4 into 5 is 20. Minus 4 into 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 4 into 2 is 8. Plus 4 into 2 into 5 is 10. 10 minus 10. Okay. So that's equal to, okay. So that's equal to 2 into 15 minus 20 means how much you will get? 15 minus 20 minus 5. Yes. Minus 5. Minus 4 into 6 minus 8 means minus 2. Plus 4 into 0. Okay. So that's equal to 2 into minus 5 means minus 10. Then minus 4 into minus 8 means plus 8. Plus 0. That's equal to minus 2. Whether it is equal to 0, I already last class I have explained. If the determinant value is equal to 0, what will we do? We will conclude the answer since the given matrix is singular matrix. So the inverse it won't exist. So it is non-singular matrix. Therefore we will continue. So minus 2 it is not equal to 0. Therefore inverse will exist or not? Inverse will be exist. So we need to write one line, that is since A is a non-singular matrix, A inverse exists. Okay, A inverse exists. Okay, so here what we will do then afterwards, we need to find the adj. So already we have did more than 15 problems. I think now you are all very thorough in finding the adj. So if you are confusing, ma'am, I can't able to find out directly, I need to do by binary cofactor like this, means no problem, you can do it as it is. But now I will teach you how we will do in one line itself. We will find the adjoint A within one line. Shall we do like that? Okay, so adjoint means first we need to find the cofactor, is it right? So A11, A12, A13. Okay, so first we are going to find A11. So listen here very carefully. So A11 means this particular column and this row it will go as. So 5 into, you can hide like this by using the fingers and afterwards find out. 5 into 3 means how much? 5 into 3 is 15, is 15 minus 4 into 5. 4 into 5 means 20. So 15 minus 20. So how much will give? Minus 5. So like that mind calculation itself you can do. Okay, then for next one what you need to do? This particular column and this row we will cancel. Is it right? So what are the numbers? 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 4 into 2 is 8. Is it right? So 6 minus 8 is minus 2, but for the second number the symbol will be minus. So minus into minus, how much you will get? Plus 2. Okay, so again I am repeating, if you are feeling very difficult to do like this, no problem. In the first exercise we have did no, simply cofactor we will find and afterwards. So like that by using many steps you can do. Okay, then next one. Next for this one, what you will do? This one and this one it will go. So 2 into 5 is 10. 10 minus 10. So it will be 0. Is it right? It will be 0. Okay, then next one, A21, A22, A23. That's equal to A21. A21 means what will you do? Symbol is minus. That symbol you keep it in mind. So this one and this one it will go. Is it right? So 4 into 3 is 12. 12 minus 20. That is minus 8. Is it right? But the symbol is minus for that. So minus into minus it says plus. That's 8. Okay. Next one. A22. Here it is 5. Is it right? So we will hide this one. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 8. That is minus 2. The symbol is plus only. So it will be minus 2. Okay, ma? Okay. Then next one. A23. For this one and this one it will go is. Carefully need to do. Otherwise write down 2 or 3 steps and do. So 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 8. So 10 minus 8 is. Sorry, 3 2. Is it right? So this one and 8 2 3. Is it right? So this one and this one it will go. So 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 8. So 10 minus 8 means 10 minus 8 2. Is it right? But this 10 minus 8 is minus 2. The symbol is plus only. So it is minus 2. Okay. Then next A31, A32, A33. That's equal to A31. A31. This one and this one it will go. Yes. So 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 20. That is minus 4. Is it right? Minus 4. Symbol only. You need to be very careful. So this one it will be plus. This one minus. This one plus. Like that it will come. So alternatively. I have explained already. Yes. Then A32. A32 means this particular A32 and this one it will go. So 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8. It will be 8 minus 8. It will be 0. Okay. Then A33. A33 means what will happen? This particular and this one it will go. So 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 8. So how much will get? Minus 2. But the symbol is minus. So minus into minus plus 2. So in if you are doing like this, no problem. Sometimes I am advising you. Sometimes if you are using this method, you will confuse and you will put a lot of mistake. Otherwise, you do as same as our previous exercise. How will you do? Cofactor. We will find that step by step. We will do no same as that you can do. Okay. Now we are going to arrange this. Is it right? So already I taught you what do you mean by adj. Adj means cofactor matrix. The transpose of cofactor matrix. Now we are going to write all the aij's here. Aij is equal to, what are the aij? Minus 5, 2, 0, 8, minus 2, minus 2. Then minus 4, 0, 2. Okay. So at j means what will happen? At j is equal to aij, the whole transpose. So row change to column, column change to row. So that's equal to minus 5, 8, minus 4. Then 2, minus 2, 0. Then 0, minus 2, 2. Okay, so this is at j. So how will you write down A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. That's equal to 1 by, what's the value for determinant of A? Minus 2 into adj minus 5, 8, minus 4. 2, minus 2, 0. 0, minus 2, 2. Listen here students very carefully. If you can divide by this minus 2, you can divide. So the meaning is each and every term we need to divide by this minus 2. Okay, what you need to do? Each and every term we need to divide by this minus 2. So what's the answer finally? Minus 5 by 2. 8 by minus 2 means 8 by minus 2. Minus 4 by minus 2. 2 by minus 2. Minus 2 by minus 2. 0 by minus 2. 0 by minus 2. Minus 2 by minus 2. 2 by minus 2. So that's equal to, what's the final answer? Minus 5 by 2. 8 by minus 2 means minus 4. This one minus and minus will get cancelled. You will get as 2. This one minus 1. This one 1. This one 0. This one 0. This one 1. This one minus 1. So this is a final answer, A inverse. Listen here students very carefully. Minus divided by minus, plus. This is all the things you have studied in lower class. So minus divided by minus, that is plus. Okay, plus divided by minus, that's minus. Minus divided by plus, that's also minus. One more important thing, 0 divided by any number is 0. Yes, but any number divided by 0 is infinity. Don't confuse that. 0 divided by any number is 0. Any number divided by 0 is infinity. Okay, that also you don't confuse. So I think you got some more knowledge in this A inverse. So 2 by 2 means easily will do, but here 3 by 3 means it will be somewhat, it will take some time. So that's all. So first you will find determinant of A. If it is a non-singular, afterwards continue that, find out the adjoint of A, and afterwards substitute in the formula of A inverse, you will get the answer. Understand? Okay. So we will do the one more problem here. Next question is example 1.17. If A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 2 satisfies the equation A square minus KA plus I2 equal to 0, then find K and also A inverse. Okay, so here it is 2 by 2 matrix, but here they have asked two questions. What are the questions? You need to find the value of K as well as you need to find A inverse. So first we will find all the values here. So here, listen here, you need to satisfy this equation. So here A square we need to find, minus K into A you need to find, I2 we need to find. So all the things you need to add and subtract, you need to get the answer as 0. Okay, as well as we need to find the value of K as well as we need to find the A inverse. The problem will be somewhat big, very important 5-mark question. Okay, so first we are going to prove this equation, that is going to satisfy the equation. So A square value we need to find. So already when I am teaching the basic things about the matrix, I have taught you. A square means what's the meaning? A into A is A square, is it right? So A square means what's the meaning? A into A is A square. Okay, so first we are going to find the A square value. For that A matrix is 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, now we are going to find the A square value. So A square means what's the meaning? A into A. That's equal to A into A means 2, 3, 1, 2 into 2, 3, 1, 2. Now we are going to multiply by using the 7 method. How will you multiply by using 7 method? 7, 7, 7, 7. Write down 2, 3, 2, 1. First row, first column, first row, second column. Then second row, first column, second row, second column. Okay. Now multiply. Already I have taught you many problems related to multiplication. Okay. In the basic class. So 2 into 2 means 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3. Then 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 6. Then 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 2. Then 1 into 3 is 3. 3 plus 4. That's equal to, finally, what about a square? 7, 12, 4, 7. Okay. Now, here one equation is given. That is, given equation is a square minus ka plus I2 is equal to 0. We are going to write the values here. What's the value for a square? Now we have found out. That is 7, 12, 4, 7. We are going to substitute here. Okay. 7, 12, 4, 7 minus k into A matrix, the given matrix. 2, 3, 1, 2 plus I2 value 1, 0, 0, 1. I already told you. Okay. Is equal to 0. Like that you need to equate. That is 0, 0. 0 equal to 0 means that's the null matrix. That's the meaning. Now, what you are going to do is 7, 12, 4, 7 minus, we are going to multiply by using k here. So minus you can keep it outside, k you can bring out inside. So 2k, 3k, k, 2k plus 1, 0, 0, 1. The values is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Now we are going to add and subtract. So already I have taught you, if there is order is same, we can add and subtract. Now add and subtract all the matrix. That is 7. Here the symbol is minus 2k. Here the symbol is plus 1. Same as that here 4 minus k plus 0. Here 12, 3k 0. That is 12 minus 3k plus 0. Then 7 minus 2k plus 1 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 7 plus 1 is 8. Is it right? 8 minus 2k. Then 12 minus 3k. 4 minus k. 8 minus 2k. Okay. So that's equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Listen here students. Any one of the value you can take it and equate. You will get the same answer. 8 minus 2k equal to 0 you can put. Otherwise 12 minus 3k equal to 0 you can equate. Otherwise this one you can equate. This one. Anything you can equate. That is I am taking symbol value 4 minus k equal to 0. So minus k is equal to minus 4. So k equal to 4. Now I have got the value for k as 4. Okay. Now first part is over. What you need to do here? You need to find the value of k. So that one is over. What I did? First we need to find the a square value, that is a into a. So how will you multiply 2 matrix? Already you know. Then afterwards I have substituted all the values, then multiplied with k, and afterwards add and subtract and equated to any one of the value. You got the k value. Now one more question, you need to find a inverse. Is it right? So to find a inverse. What's the formula for a inverse? 1 by determinant of a into adjoint of a. Okay. So determinant of a is equal to, what's the determinant value? We need to find 2, 3, 1, 2. That's equal to 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 3, that's equal to 1. Whether it is equal to 0, it's not equal to 0. Okay. So determinant of a is equal to determinant of our a matrix. So 4 minus 3 equal to 1. It's not equal to 0. So what's the step we will write here? Since determinant of a value is, since a is a non-singular matrix, a inverse exists. Okay. So here it is a 2 by 2 matrix, so easily you will find the adjoint of a. Is it right? So by using the small shortcut, what will you do? This one will change it to 2. This one, what will you do? Will change the symbol. That's adj. Is it right? So already you know. Substitute a inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of a into adjoint of a. That's equal to 1 by 1 into 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2. Divide by 1. We are going to divide by 1. So same answer only you will get. Is it right? 2 by 1 is 2. minus 3, minus 1, 2. This is answer. Very, very important 5-mark question. Learn it thoroughly. So first you need to find the a square value. Again I am saying that's a square means particular value alone you will not square that. Okay. So a square means a into a. Afterwards satisfies the equation. There you substitute and find out the value of k. Afterwards find out a inverse. Okay. This is very, very important 5-mark question. Okay. So we have completed 1.17. Now I will give one or two problems to work out. Then only you will get some idea in here. Okay. So I will give one or two problems for you to work. Will you do? Okay. Take down the homework. Find the inverse of first one 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. We have that same model. Then second one minus 3, minus 5, 4, minus 2, 3, minus 1. Then next one 1, minus 4, minus 6. Take it. Find the inverse of two problems. 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. Then minus 5, 3, minus 5, 4, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 1, minus 4, minus 6. Then one more question. If a is equal to 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4, then verify that a into adjoint of a is equal to determinant of a into I, and also find a inverse. I will just explain this problem. What will you do, my here? First you need to find the adjoint of a. You know how will you find the adjoint of a. Afterwards what you need to do? A into adjoint of a. So what did you do? With the a you need to multiply the value of adjoint of a by using the 7 method. Then afterwards what you need to do? Take that as first equation. Then here determinant of a you need to find. With that value you need to multiply with I. So I means 1 0 0 0. So here it is 3 by 3 matrix. So when you are taking the I value, you need to take as 3 by 3. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Please try down this question. If you have any doubt, tomorrow there is an interaction class. I will help you. Before that, try to complete. If you have any doubt, I will help you. Okay, students? Okay. I hope all of you understand today's class. If you have any doubt, we can clear in the interaction section. Please try down these problems. Then only you will feel very easy to find the inverse and all. Okay, students, be safe in your home. We will meet in the next class. Thank you, children.